peeps on it? It's Flower Girl VJV making story times and challenges like always. Have you ever been ignored and felt so shut out and just felt like the world is always against you, or feel like the world's against you at that day, at that moment? Well, here's a little bit of tricks and tips that I have in my story of how I dealt with it. How I dealt with it in high school was beyond. Like, I grew up and learned to deal with people that ignored me. So in high school, how I dealt with my pain and sorrows and stuff, I ran and reported. I talked to my counselor. I asked for advice because I didn't know how to handle these feelings. I did not know how to handle being ignored. And shout out to this lovely counselor who was always there for me. Shout out to her. She would always guide me to the right direction. And oh my God, it's just a great blessing to have her in my life. I would say the best thing, I was to gossip about them. The one thing that really did help me, talking about my bad counselors and talking about my bad teachers, bad staff. They must be struggling. They must be going through something, but they're treating me like this. They're going through yada, yada, yada. And I just, for a while, I stopped talking about them at all. Another way, ignore them back. Another way that did help me, that this could go two ways. It could go good or it can go bad. Straight up ignore them back. Was it easy? No. Did it work? Not really. I straight up did not ignore them. It was hard for me to ignore people because I don't like ignoring. I feel like I'm the devil if I do that. So I decided not to. Really, like, I barely did that. I did that to like 5 people. And I think that was it. Like 5 people. That's very little out of my whole entire life. So let's review. Talk to somebody. Ignore them if you can. And how you can make them stop ignoring you. Yeah, I'm gonna link like 2 or 3 videos on how to do that. But personally, me and my personal opinion in my life, it's not easy to do that. And here's 2 more bonus ones. First one, distract yourself. Do what you can to distract yourself out of the situation, or out of that narcissist person, or out of the toxic person. The second one, ask them if they are okay. If they are, then just leave them be. When they're ready to talk to you, they're going to talk to you. Shout out to the person that helped me with this video. You know who you are. Thank you and good luck. Peace out. Flower Girls out. Bye.